bundle there. Oh no.
I was wondering.
Oh no.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to not look at that for a minute, and none of us are going to look at or acknowledge that while we announce our winner. These wonderful Koroks are going to 3 buses in a trench coat. Congratulations! You have won. You will be getting those Korok Legend of Autumn limited edition prizes coming in the mail to you. Thank you very much for having a donor account set up. You're great. Oh boy, still there. Still right there. Arm's reach.
I wouldn't even worry about it.
It's not moving.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to try and not
Not
worry
yet,
about it.
anyway.
Not
It's
yet.
probably fine.
It doesn't move on its own, though, right?
Yeah, well,
Well,
not yet. Where's that battle axe?
it's labeled. And I feel like
Is that battle axe being peace bonded?
I feel like that should be readable.
I don't think you can do that with a battle axe.
But yeah, that's our friend Harry. Somebody want a free Harry?
Oh, wow.
Is that safe?
No?
No,
Not even a little bit.
absolutely not.
I mean, Harry's gonna come out eventually, so.
Ah, at last, after a year, I'm free.
Oh, goodness. Oh, poor thing.
Maybe this will be the year we figure out that Harry's the actual plague blanket that makes everybody sick.
Yes.
Oh.
This is probably accurate.
Alpha Blight. Oh.
He is so cute, though.
How can you deny that face?
God.
He's so big.
Nope.
Hey, Harry.
Nope.
Yep.
No, sir.
Haven't really.
I don't like it.
We haven't really met before, actually. It's